Oh, watch out, Ryan. Mater's fat butt is going to... I can see it. But Ryan's like...
He doesn't even care. Yeah. Go get him. He says, come on, eat my... They're so stupid.
Kuka, she says, I'll just watch.
Look at him, he's over here. He's going, they're so stupid. He's so stupid. I'm over here and they're over there. Oh, watch out, watch out.
At least Lulu has a friend now. Because she used to get so sad because she'd want to play and Mater. She says, sometimes I just get a little bit tired because of my big belly. I can't play like this Lulu can play. Now Lulu has a friend to run around and have just as much fun. Watch out, Kuka. You'll be in the line of fire and you didn't even do anything wrong. Oh, no. Kuka says, I'm out of here. Oh, I missed it.
Missed it again? Just about.
This is too good.
That's what he does all day long. He just will jump at him because he gets frustrated.
And they don't even see it coming.
Ow!
Ow! It says up.
Don't play with me. Play with Daddy. Where'd she go? Oh, did your friend leave? Where'd she go? He says, where is she?
Hi, Kuka Duke.
He says, I was having fun.
Hi, Mater Tater Tot. Hi, Ryan.
Where did Lulu go? Oh, somebody's thirsty.
You wore her out, Orion. Orion, our little kitty who found us. At 3 weeks old. And Hims was the best thing that came here, bringing the spice to life again. For these lazy old bassets. Look at that tail.
So long.
That's quite the tail. Flame Point Siamese. I wonder how big he's going to get. Him's a cool cat. Bye, Orion.
Here they come. Here they come. Wow! Oh! Oh!
Well, now we know why Lulu stands around and barks at the cat all day. It's the cat, not the